Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Shen gi rangbat ki thayela kai basketball jongane ga jalla kin sayo lat ban sakhi biang saya ka wei ka lumpung yakop le kai basketball ka bay le kai tang shiteng maran bat tang laingut kinong le kai shisen le kai na ka wei ka kunhon ya ka balatip kum ka Northeast 3x3 Challenge 2019-2020 Yakani lapan benar dagi khot jong ka kunhon touchline Northeast basketball ka ba penlong yakani ka jingle kai rengkat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society haba kren shaginong pathai kubor ha ka arfunyu tarik mentau benai ka lalengkot arajar arpo hapo Shillong Press Club di khot jong ka touchline Northeast basketball kilaya thu bayakani ka lumpung on penlong nado ka live ho tarik mentau benai ka lalengkot hado ka shitarik benai rempang banwan mentau snam arajar arpo hamadan basketball ka badan ha yoreng hep lime crash Shillong Hagani ka lumpung kindan hado nriu pau tuli ki kinhon ki bani shimbenta ki ba kentup ya ki arpun riu tuli ki kinhon jong ki shinrang shi pau tuli jong ki kentai khan riu tuli ki kinhon jong ki khana shinrang ki bahapo khan riu snem karta bat pratali ki kinhon jong ki khana kentai ki bahapo khan riu snem karta.
This is the 5th edition of 3v3 that we will be organizing in our state, and we can proudly say that it is becoming pan-India more than Northeast, because there are many teams from other parts of India apart from Northeast are coming this year. We have changed a few categories where we have under 16 and the senior category this time. And hopefully it becomes a better success, and next year we get affiliation even from the BFI, that is Basketball Federation of India.
We have over 60 teams participating this year, and this is from a broad spectrum of the basketball community. We have teams coming in from Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, in addition to a team from Bangalore as well. We have a couple of national team players coming in from another team from Punjab. So some Punjab national team players will be coming down. So as you can see, the basketball ecosystem, at least in Shillong, is growing. And over the next couple of days, we hope to see some good quality basketball, and hopefully this gives the exposure to our local boys and girls to aspire to achieve, playing at the national level. In addition to also the games, we also will be organizing a mini carnival of sorts, which will be taken care of by our academy players. So we have a bunch of about 60-70 children who have made a committee to organize a smaller mini carnival, just to try and make the entire basketball festival, even more interesting.
This is the second time that we've been working together with Meghalaya Control Society. That's true. This kind of programs or shows that it's actually a larger integration and involvement of the other organizations and other clubs as well, who looks into HIV as an issue that we need to actually make people aware. And using through this particular medium, the basketball 3x3, which is very popular in, I can say so, here in Meghalaya. And using this platform, we're trying to reach more into the youths of our state, and especially all the youths are actually very much engaged in sports. And we also want to actually bring more youths into the sports communities, so that we can help them actually save from a lot of problems that the society is actually facing, especially when it comes to HIV infection and also other drug addictions. So, like teaming up with the touchline, we are trying to push and motivate children that to come forward to actually be a part of the sports community and stay away from all the high-risk behaviors, and such as drug addictions and infections with HIV. And also through this sport, we're trying to also make people aware about the various information that actually needed to be made or disseminated on that particular days. And as part of this whole initiative, we are also having an ICTC mobile van, where it will be stationed at the venue, where any youths can come forward to actually have themselves tested, so that we become more integrated in terms of knowing our status about HIV status, at the same time how to actually have a healthy life through sports.